Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Thursday. I'm sitting here making earrings. So let's make a cute little pair of something with these Buddha head earrings that I have. And some of these, I think they're called rondelle spacers I got off of Amazon. So we are going to go ahead and get this party started. Just real quick, something simple and easy. So I can put some stuff on some websites and take some pictures. Let's use. Hope everybody is doing well. I know this week went by like really fast. It's already Thursday. I was just thinking that this morning. I'm like, oh my God, it's already Thursday. Already Thursday. So the week is already almost over. And I think I like the way these look so far. And I cut a lot of wire. I don't know why I cut this much wire. I could make a whole nother pair of earrings out of all this wire. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it like about there. We'll fold that wire over. And I am using 18 gauge wire. I use the 16 gauge to make jump rings. I'm going to go ahead and cut this extra off, and then I can use this extra to either make another pair of earrings or to make some custom charms using beads. Go ahead and fold that in, tuck it in the best we can get it. Looks like this. Go ahead and straighten this part up a little bit. And so far, this is about what we're going to get. And then for somebody, this is just enough earring. Because everybody don't like, a lot of, big chunky earrings. I'm going to cut off this extra wire like so. And I am going to use that for some charms. And as long as I don't feel anything, meaning the wire, I don't feel the wire or anything. So this is basically what we have so far. Let's use, we'll go with a little love. One of the love charms, and I'm thinking it should be a big enough hoop. So let's see where it is. Right here. And we'll go ahead and put that on here. Just nice and dainty, and that should work perfectly. Go ahead and close that off, and then let's see what we got. Now, how cute is that? Just as cute, but let me see. Something is crooked. Looks like this one. Yep, cute and dainty. Those Buddha heads. One of them look like this. Well, you see how that bead is? That bead is throwing the whole pair of earrings off. So even though they're cute, this bead right here is messing up everything. So I have to take it apart and then just kind of redo this ear. Actually, just put another bead on here. That means I am going to lose some wire because I have to clip it off. And then I do know once that's bent, I probably won't be able to put the bead over the wire. So, and that's okay, but they still came out to be cute earrings. So I'll take it apart. I'll go ahead and fix it. But these are these for right now. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jury by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.